Hello friends, my name is Jay. I'm the Teen Services Librarian for the Keene Public Library. I'm in the Kingsbury Makerspace right now. The library is closed to the public. If you have any book requests, you can place holds, and we are providing curbside pickup today from 10 to 12. Today is Saturday, March 21st. But while the library is closed, one of the projects that we have embarked on is there is a call for spaces that have 3D printers to 3D print some of the medical supplies that are needed. Face masks is the big one that we're hearing about. So we did find a design. There's a group, Copper 3D, created something called the Nanohack. It's a 3D printed mask. This is the one that we printed yesterday, and it comes in 3 pieces. This is the mask itself. It has another piece that I'm printing right now that'll go inside of here. And then it has a cap here that will screw on. And what one can do when they're using it is put a filter between this piece right here. They'll put either a cotton filter or a mask piece or something like that in here. They'll put this piece I'm printing on top of it, put another filter, and then put the cap. And the way it's created is to be printed flat, but when you apply heat from like a blow dryer, it's actually moldable. So in the end, you would have something that looks like that. And how you would do that is to heat it up, make it a little bit more flexible, and then you can actually curl this around. This piece will actually curl up, and you can actually mold it to your face. So this is just one design that we found. Another design that we're looking into is creating the pieces needed to assemble a face shield. This is the website that we're using here. This is budman.com, and we would print the piece that goes along the forehead and another piece for elastic bands, and then when put with a polymer sheet in front of it, it can be assembled to be another protection, another layer of protection between a medical professional and somebody who may be infected with the COVID-19. So as soon as this print finishes, I'm gonna go ahead and print my first one of those. All right, and this just completed. So here we have our piece. I'm just gonna fold this a little bit, and there we have our completed piece there. And so I'm going to take our mask here. I just cut this cotton circle a little bit to just show that you can put a filter inside there. I'm only going to do one. I'm going to put that right in the center here, and then take my cap and then just screw this right on here. And there we have a completed mask from Copper 3D. So if you want more information about this mask, or if you want to download the files, you can go to copper3d.com, and there's a link for downloading the STL files needed to 3D print this. These are just some of the projects we're doing while the Keene Public Library is closed. Please visit our website at keenepubliclibrary.org for more information about the library's hours, for access to resources like downloadable books, e-audio, books and audio that you can listen to online, databases with foreign language learning like Mango Languages, and a variety of other things you can do from home while the library is closed. Thank you so much. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.